More clients, more team, more output. That's the scaling playbook everyone follows. It's also why most businesses turn into chaos the moment they grow. If you add headcount to an already unstable system, you don't scale output, you scale chaos. More problems, more rework, more of your time required to hold it all together. You've just duplicated the problem. The franchise OS has one rule: system first, hiring second. Three conditions have to be green before you add a single person. Is work getting done reliably for 4 weeks straight at least? Is it getting done correctly 90% of the time or more? And does the system run at 80% or below to have capacity for growth? If any of those conditions is not a clear yes, fix the system first, not the headcount. The full checklist and the complete franchise OS is in the long form description below. Watch it before you think about scaling.